Hi everyone, it's Deborah Stafford and February and another month of Keep Your Home Healthy. That's right, keep your home healthy. And guess what we're going to be focusing on this month? Wanting you to make sure that you do a check on your heat and air system. This is the perfect time to have them come out, do a thorough check just to make sure everything is working well before you start turning from heat to air conditioning. So one of the things that we like to do with the Stafford Hunter team is to make sure that you have a great resource. So if you're ready to do a check, keep your home healthy on your heat and air system, then give us a call because we can get you a discount. In addition, I want you to make sure that you're also having your vents checked from your dryer. So it can get all clogged up and potentially cause a fire. So we really want you to have those two things checked. So give us a call. Keep your home healthy. Happy February.